Hey, it's Kim at Geranium Lake Flowers, and welcome to our YouTube channel where we are all about everything flowers and creative crafts. First, we got to thank our partner, Greenleaf Wholesale. They're our local wholesaler. They are fabulous, and check this out. I can't wait to tell you all about this stuff. I know, it's so cool. How's Halloween treating you guys? Have you seen our cool candy slide? It's a DIY hack on how to social distance this Halloween. Today, I'm gonna show you how to design in this fabulous urn. It's gunmetal gray. So I'm using Oasis today, but the main thing I'm talking about is dyed roses. I know, it's kind of crazy. So can you check this out? These are black roses. I know it's a little bit morbid, but I am gonna make it fabulous and kind of Halloween, kind of crazy. All they are red roses that are dipped in a dye. So yeah, and this is a dark blue-black dye. But I'm gonna give you a hack. I know, hack time. So you can make your own. So check this out. This is just a premium red rose, and this is Flower Design Master Paint. And I'm just gonna shoot it, and it's glossy. I kind of like it with a little bit of the red of the rose showing. What do you guys like? So anyway, that's a way to do it on your own. So we'll add that one last. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is, yes, I used Oasis. I like to use chicken wire, but this bowl was a little bit shallow. So we're gonna start out with Nandina. I almost forgot the name. We were just Googling it a second ago, and its common name is Heavenly Bamboo. The thing about Nandina is it has these beautiful orange berries. So this is such a sexy bowl that it needs a lot of drape, right? This is a goddess, and it is kind of eucalyptus. It has this burgundy color. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm just breaking it with my fingers. Check this out. This is this beautiful gray color, and this is cypress cedar. Oh my God, it smells so good. I think I'm gonna do like an asymmetrical thing. So I'm gonna do one here, just move the whole thing. Remember, you guys, don't think, just have fun with it. Like seriously, you can't go wrong. This is just some texture stuff that's kind of dead, but I'm like, hey, can I have a vase of dead stuff? It will just add a little bit dimension. It is so cool. This is another dyed bleached product. And what is this? It's kind of ruscus, I think. I think it's time to add some black roses, right? We just did a video yesterday on witch finger cookies. They're a really cool craft that you can do with your family, your friends. You can even do it on Zoom. It would be so fun. So now I'm placing these black roses that are ridiculous, like really. So these packs of roses come in packs of 25. I'm gonna just use them all because I want this to be ridiculous. I want it to be kind of sexy and not too scary. A little bit of pampas grass always looks fabulous. I do have a little bit of orange over here. It is Halloween, right? Did you guys see the bat in my hair? I know. So I'm gonna use some marigolds. They smell so delicious. They're not a super long lasting flower, but I love them anyway. I've done quite a few Indian weddings, and they have a special place for me. So you can see how I'm just making the roses kind of fall down a little bit. The pampas grass, it has a beautiful line that way. I feel like I need one of these dyed burgundy things over there. So do you guys obviously know this flower, chocolates, or some flowers, but these are chocolate ones. I think the variety is Indian Summer, but they will just add another cool dimension of this brown tone. I have a little bit of rose hips. These are a mini variety. And you can see I'm kind of on automatic pilot, and I'm just gonna shove those in for texture. Oh my God, I love it so much. It's so glam. I have a couple Monstera leaves. Sometimes when you have a scale change and you have, you know, small flowers, big flowers, a big nice leaf, that kind of, you know, sets the tone. And you kind of see how I'm shoving it in asymmetrically, so kind of one this way, one up. Looks so good. I am not sure what these are, but just a miscellaneous grass. They are dried, but it looks fantastic. We ended up spray painting a carnation. I'm just gonna see what it looks like. You know, if you don't have access to the roses, you can definitely spray paint the carnations. I totally forgot to use this. Greenleaf gave me some Israeli ruscus that has dyed orange. So actually this will make it pop a little bit. We can go ahead and put in our DIY. We could give this another coat. I need to put it in a prominent spot so you can all see it. Yeah, actually that looks good. I also have some white pumpkins, so I was gonna put one in here. I'm gonna take my knife and go like this. And then typically I just find a stem that's on the floor. I know, I throw everything on the floor. So this is a rose stem. And then I've made this cool pick, right? Oh my God, that was so good. I love it so much. Oh my God, okay. I'll calm down. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more. I don't know, maybe asymmetrical? What do you guys think? Kind of spilling on the edge of this. Oh, it's so good. Oh my God. Wow, this container is amazeballs. I love it so much. So we're gonna fool around with it maybe after this video, maybe add some twinkle lights, maybe make it a bit more spooky, maybe add an owl baby. The 1970s owl baby. Anyway, be sure to check out all our other Halloween videos, and let's squeeze every little bit of Halloween out and have fun. Let's celebrate social distancing, of course, and subscribe, like, hit the alert bell, and thank you so much. Love you. Bye.